Hi friends, let's read Busy Boats. Boats are really wonderful for sailing us around. They travel through the water with a sloppy, sloppy sound. Slip, slop, slip, slop. It's fun to go out boating, especially in the sun. The water's cool and sparkly, so come on everyone. A boat sits on the water like an empty bowl or cup. It's hollow and it's full of air, and that's what keeps it up. An anchor holds you steady when you're bobbing in a bay. You wind a chain to raise it when you want to sail away. Over lakes and seas and rivers, wind blows very strong. Some boats have a sail to catch it, so it pushes them along. To handle boats with masts and sails, you need a clever crew. The captain is the one in charge, who tells them what to do. Aye, aye, Captain. A dinghy or a rowboat is useful near the shore. You make it travel backward by pulling on each oar. Swish, swash. A motorboat is powered by propeller from the back. It whooshes through the water and leaves a foamy track. And just in case by accident you tumble from a boat, you have to wear a life jacket made to help you float. Some boats are built for fishing, where the ocean waves are steep. Their nets are cast to catch the fish, then haul them from the deep. A ship can carry cargo, which is loaded at the docks. Heave ho! Look out below! Here comes a giant box! A ferry carries cars and trucks to where they need to go. The people travel up above. The vehicles stay below. Toot toot. A mighty ocean liner has a big and busy crew. It carries many passengers. They're waving now. Yoo-hoo! The ship has cozy cabins where the passengers can stay. And out on deck they stroll around and watch the sea or play. But when the journey's over, ahoy! The lighthouse rock. The ship glides into harbor and ties up at the dock. Welcome home. Ooh, boat parts. Let's see. Boats have a deck, which is the floor of a boat. They have a cabin underneath. This is the little room where you sleep on board a boat. The name is written. Many boats are given names by their owners. Cargo. This is the name for the goods that a ship carries. Some boats have propellers. This has blades that spins around very fast at the back of the boat and pushes against the water to move the boat forward. Oars. These are long poles with flat blades on the end that push against the water and move the boat forward. Boats have anchors, and this is a very heavy piece of metal with hooks that dig into the ground under the water and stop the boat from drifting away. Lighthouses. This is a tall building on the coast with a flashing light to guide ships and keep them away from the rocks. Wow, that's awesome. Thanks for reading Busy Boats with us.